Hello guys, this is the review of the Tekton 2841 every bit ratchet screwdriver and bit set, 135 piece. I'm going to go ahead and focus the camera across everything that's inside, that's included with this set. Alright, let's start from the top. Okay, let's move to the bottom section. See if I could get a good focus here. Alright, so comes with all those bits, and here's the main screwdriver. This is a ratcheting screwdriver. It's lockable both ways. Okay, it also has a cap on the bottom, which you could unscrew, and it will give you access to a compartment which you could keep more stuff inside if you like. Let's put this aside. Next up is some of the large unconventional bits. Let's see if I get a good view of them. There you go. And it comes with this extender. It's like a extender bit. Let's see if I can get it out with one hand. Okay, what this does is extends the screwdriver tip. It's hard with one hand. By the way, this is magnetized. Okay, so whatever bit you put inside is gonna be held in place magnetically. So that's the extender tip, and you could go ahead and put the tip there. Again, it's magnetic. Okay, so let's put that aside. And here are some of the more smaller unconventional bits. See if I can get a good shot at these. Okay, and there's a second smaller screwdriver. This one does not ratchet. However, it does have this palm spinning thing where you could put it against your palm and just spin it freely. Makes things quicker and easier. It also comes with this plastic Pry Bar for electronics, like to open your phone and your tablet or whatnot, to pry those open without scratching them. Okay, and it also comes with a couple of extender bits to extend the tip of this screwdriver, just in case you need more reach. And that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching.